I'm here with my friend Marshall Goldsmith. Marshall Goldsmith is the leading authority in the world of the topic of leadership, wrote 40 books, several of them international bestseller. Marshall, thank you so much for your friendship and inviting me to your apartment.
Subir, I am honored to know you, one of the world's experts on quality, if not the world's expert, a member of Thinkers 50, and also always wanting to learn. What I love about you is you always want to learn. You've been such a joy to be with over the years.
Thank you so much, Marshall. So tell us a little bit about your new award, the Thinkers 50, established in your honor.
Well, what happened is I went to a program called Design the Life You Love, and the woman said, who are your heroes? And my heroes were kind and generous people who are great teachers. And she said, you should be more like them. I decided to adopt 15 people, teach them all I know for free. And the only price is when they get old, they have to do the same thing. I made a little video and put it on LinkedIn. Turned out to be the most widely viewed video in the history of LinkedIn, and over 18,000 people have applied. And you are one of the wonderful 100 and something now people in our fine group. So now my life is largely devoted to helping others be a success. So the Thinkers 50, I'm in the Hall of Fame. I'm not competing for something. And the award for the best coach in the world is named after me. And what I'm really trying to do is help other people be successful and network. And we're going to have 60 of the top coaches in the world in London. And what I'm going to tell them is we can all show off and try to be smart and better than everybody, or be friends.